Hi, I'm Zena. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super easy and healthy vegan date-sweetened Nutella. It also comes with an option to make this a raw vegan Nutella. All you have to do, instead of roasting the hazelnuts, soak them overnight before blending. Before we get into it, I just want to ask that you please subscribe if you haven't already, and please also make sure to take the notifications bell so you don't miss any new recipes. Now let's get into it. So you're going to pour in your 2 cups of roasted hazelnuts into the food processor. And then we're going to pulse the hazelnuts until a smooth butter forms. Once a smooth hazelnut butter has formed, you might need to scrape down the sides a little bit. Then you're going to want to add in the rest of your ingredients. Soaked and pitted medjool dates, cocoa powder, and sea salt. Start by adding a little bit of the plant-based milk at a time, and then if you see you need more, you can always add it in later. This Nutella spread is honestly great straight out of the jar, as well as on toast. I love to top my Nutella toast with strawberries and bananas. You can also thin it out with a little bit of almond milk and use it as a fruit dip. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this recipe, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join the family and see new videos every week if you haven't already. I can't wait to see you next time!